Hello friends, today I am now going to discuss about a very important concept, that is about metric tensor or fundamental tensor. So now let's discuss about it. What is metric tensor or fundamental tensor, we can say. So in an n-dimensional space, there are two coordinates. One is xi, another is xi plus dxi. There are two coordinates, xi and xi plus dxi. In an n-dimensional space, there are 2 points, xi and another is xi plus dxi. Then the distance between 2 points are given by ds whole square equals, distance between 2 points is given by ds and the square is given by ds whole square gij dxi dxj. So this is the form of writing fundamental tensor or metric tensor, where gij is metric, not matrix, metric tensor or fundamental tensor. So if I put I equals 1 to n and j equals 1 to n, then metric tensor can be written such as ds whole square equals g11 dx1 whole square plus g12 dx2 whole square, g22 dx2 whole square plus g33 dx3 whole square plus, let me write in another page, plus g12 dx1 dx2 plus g13, that is I equals 1 j equals 2 dx1 dx3, similarly g23 dx2 dx3 plus dot all, etc. Now if we try to write the metric tensor in Cartesian coordinate, so let us consider a point x, y, z and another point x plus dx, y plus dy and z plus dz. Then in the form of metric tensor we can write ds whole square equals dx whole square plus dy whole square plus dz whole square. So in the form of metric tensor we can write ds whole square equals dx whole square plus dy whole square plus dz whole square. Similarly, so it can be written in the metric tensor form such as ds whole square equals dx1 whole square plus dx2 whole square plus dx3 whole square. So now if we write metric tensor in 3 by 3 matrix form, then we can write gij equals g11 g12 g13 g21 g22 g23 g31 g32 g33. So this is the form of matrix representation of metric tensor. So that Cartesian coordinate representation in the metric tensor matrix can be written as is dx1 whole square plus dx2 whole square plus dx3 whole square. Now how can we write the fundamental metric tensor in the matrix form, this Cartesian coordinates metric tensor? We can write gij equals, for Cartesian coordinate in the fundamental tension form, 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. That's it. So this is such type of metric tensor. Now if you want to see more some example, then I will bring some more example in my next video. So that is for all today. Thank you very much.